out at Circuit of the Americas for a Moto America ride-along because my lovely colleagues volunteered me for it. I'm wearing all black as to mourn myself. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna be safe. I hope. We'll see.
The rider entrusted with our safety was Chris Ulrich, a 24-year racing veteran who's done nearly 1,000 two-seater rides with no incident. Ulrich said he can get within 7 seconds of his fastest racing time with a passenger, and he can top out at around 170 miles per hour. We did another lap before pulling into the pits, during which I spent most of my time making peace with any unfinished business I had on this earth. You know, just in case.